Okay, our film is just about soaked for I think about 70 seconds. It's a little bit cooler today. So we're going to be getting ready to dip this thing. So always wear your mask. I'm just not going to do it for this dip because we're showing the video. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to give this a couple seconds, watch it expand. I'm looking for areas that aren't activating. If they look like they're activating real well, we're going to get right in there. Okay, here we go. Like I said, start on this half. Get that point down, okay? Get it in real slow. Keep that line above the water. Watch it slowly, no hesitation. Now, I've got where I want it. I'm going to start my roll, and now I'm going to turn and push. Boom. Simple as that. There you go. Nice clean dip. No voids. And we're going to rinse that off real quick. Okay, I've got the rifle out of dip, out of the rinse rather. And you can see she's looking pretty good. As you can also see, no seam across this top of the stock and the cheek rest. Nice rich color, which is what we were looking for. Okay, all the way through. You got a pretty good seam down the bottom, as you can see. No voids, no blowouts. Okay. That's what we want to do. See how that pattern just simply rolled right through that tape, and it rolled right through our paper. So this is what you're looking for when you're doing a rifle dip. Okay, so a little bit of practice and a little bit of time and effort, and you're gonna be able to do this. This is not rocket science. It just takes a little practice, a little repetition, and attention to detail, and you will become a pretty good dipper. You'll be able to get stuff out like this on a regular basis. You know, hey, we're not perfect. We blow dips all the time. You know, it doesn't always work. But you know, when you hit them on the first time like that, you know, it's a pretty nice feeling. So this is a good dip. We'll be able to do our little minor touch-ups here and there, and then we're going to put a nice coat of Cerakote clear, which is actually what the client requested. And we're going to top coat it, and I'm going to show you that too. So stay tuned.